Welcome to today's language warm-up session, where we pave a smooth path for learning English, embracing the beauty of bilingualism to grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's embark on this journey together. In our bilingual approach, we aim to bridge the gap between English and your native language, fostering an environment where learning is natural and comfortable. Let's begin by understanding complex English terms using a bilingual approach. Moving on, we embrace the power of contextual understanding. This involves relating new English concepts to familiar contexts within your native culture and language. Today, we are understanding English usual. As we conclude our warm-up, let's recap what we learned today. The bilingual approach helps in understanding complex English terms through translations, while contextual understanding builds a connection between new English concepts and familiar. Thank you for joining us in today's language warm-up session. Keep nurturing your bilingual roots as you reach for the stars in English proficiency. Until next time, happy learning.